Alright, so today we're going to check out the App Store and look for potential apps that I could use in my future classroom. I will be teaching theater and speech, but right now we're going to emphasize on the theater part. I already did this earlier, but I'm going to show you the steps involved, so just click on that and we will begin. So this is what you come to when you get to the App Store. Now, I just went to the top right there, and I just searched theater. Now, I got a lot of things, so I had to filter through and see what would actually work for me and what didn't. The app that I liked the best was Musical Trivia and Quiz. This app does cost some money, but I figured it would be great in my classroom if kids got done doing their work and didn't want to disrupt others. They could play an easy game that keeps them quiet and still pertains to the content at hand. And this is the little logo for it. So when you get there, it's going to say this menu at first. And it's like, welcome to Musicals, Quiz, and Trivia. Make the challenge for the quiz test and prove you're a real fan. We bet you have a lot to learn. So you just hit start. Let me make that a better color. There you go. And then you're on your way. So this is the screen you'll get once you hit start. And if you look there, it tells you how many questions or how many quizzes you've taken while exploring this app. I took 2. I didn't score so high because I was just trying to see all the mechanics of the app, but it shows you the last score you took on your quiz, and this little chart shows you the progress you've made. So my first quiz I got a 60, my second quiz I got a 40. It also gives you options when taking the quiz. You can do a mixed test, which has a multitude of questions regarding many different theatrical productions, or you could have a topics test, which narrows the playing field a bit. If you choose topics test, you will come to something that looks like this. It doesn't really indicate which topic you have. You just click on one of these things, and it will tell you a bunch of questions pertaining to one specific thing. However, I have noticed that when you click the same little square, like I clicked this one 2 times, I got a different test, which was interesting to me the first time and the second time. But it all does pertain to the same theatrical production. So when you go to start the test, this is what you've got, and it tells you specifically that you will have 5 questions and a minimum of 3 correct will be required for you to pass. It also gives you a 3-minute time slot to answer all of the questions. So after you've read that, you just hit start and away you go. This is an example of one of the questions. And of course, as in any multiple choice, you can pick A, B, C, or D. And then if you look up here, it tells you question 1 of 5. And it also tells you right here the amount of time you have left to take the test. So say you just click this one as the right answer. Then you hit next. Okay, so it shows us that this one was not the correct answer, and the correct answer was Jean Laurel and Charlie Darroplin. So you hit continue. Okay, as I said, this app is super easy. Anyone from ages 3 to 83 can do this. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you are interested in theater, I would highly recommend you get it. I thought it was fun, and I hope you find it fun too. It did cost me a little bit of money, $2.99, but I feel it's totally worth it, and I hope you enjoy it.